What's up?
One more time.
Yo! What's up? Alright, we meet some people who just come to Bali. Nick and Cecilia. We met next to the Bali Tranquil Sanur.
Yeah. So we met them in Sanur. Actually, they watch us every single day. Oh my God, so
Every single
happy.
day.
And finally, they arrived in Bali.
It's early morning, by the way, that's at the beginning, and we are in the Sindhu market. So, because we show the Sindhu market at night a few times, but never show at morning time. So we decided this is the good time to show. We wanna buy something, yes, honey?
Yeah. So I plan to buy fruits and veg in the morning in the Sindhu market, because maybe most of you already watch our videos in the market only at night. So yeah, we will show you how it is in the market in the morning. Like it is just like normal traditional market, which is selling fresh food, you know, vegetables and everything. Let's see. Alright, so at night this space will be the, you know, like where the food stall, food seller will sell the food, but in the morning will be the parking.
So as you can see, you can find everything here. Chicken, fish, fruit, veg. Even intense sticks. Everything what you need you can find here.
Ya, manggis. Salah nabi ibu. Alright, so I bought 1 kilo of dragon fruit. It cost me around 12k, so it's very fresh.
Look at this. Small wee bad boys.
Alright, as you see behind me at this block, normally for the clothes seller, as you see behind me, they're selling clothes, Balinese outfit, costumes, normal clothes. Yeah, so nice.
And it's big rainy. Ah! Alright, it's time to go to different place now.
Very big raining. Damian has to wear the raincoat. So my favorite one, we will buy pisang goreng. Look at how he is frying.
Berapa ini godongnya?
Yang pisang yang baru.
Ini pisang nih. Ini juga baru kok, baru ngatur dan. Udah turun.
So we already got pisang goreng at morning. Why waiting when it's raining?
Yeah.
Like always.
Pisang goreng. So as you see in the market, they're also selling like that one, that's satay, that's fish satay, and also pork satay. This market actually open at 4 in the morning, 4 p.m. in the morning, and close at 11 in the afternoon. So we are deciding to go to the beach for coffee, morning coffee. Rainy morning coffee. And Damian get ready for everything. Let me put my helmet. So, well, actually because of this spa, look, and this alley, small alley used to be a spa shop, and unluckily because it is closed and there is a small path, so we decided to park our bike here. Paddle. So morning coffee time. And coffee and croissant.
Right, we have to coffee, and we just reminds us, as I
Yeah.
do the giveaway over a week ago about the bean tanks. So today is the day we're gonna choose one lucky winner.
So this is how we will make our lottery.
Put our names,
Yeah. And then
paper.
in the small paper.
and then we're gonna take off this one, and we're
Yeah.
gonna try to choose one person.
Yeah.
Lucky draw.
Lucky draw.
Alright.
So now I will write down all of you guys, the name of you who comment in our videos, and then we will make a lucky draw for that.
It's quite many names, by the way, but thank you so much for taking effort to comment.
Ooh la la! So I've got so many small papers here of your names, guys. So now we will make a lucky draw. Who will win our, what is it? Our
Bucket of bintang.
bucket of bintang. Look at this. We have many names. Oops.
Oops.
Wait, not yet, not yet.
Not yet. Shake, shake, shake.
Have to shake it first. Shake, 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 shake. And then let's see who's. Oops. Two
Try
people?
again, try
Oh,
again,
try
try
again.
again,
But
try
we have
again.
to take only one person who will win. Yeah. So let's open. Who's the winner?
The winner is Lindy
Sutherland.
I'm so sorry if I spell wrong, but Lindy, congratulations.
Oh wow! Congratulations, Lindy! You won a bucket of beer.
Now you have to just choose if you wanna have this bucket with bintang with us somewhere, or you want us to send you money to wherever you're coming from on PayPal, and you're gonna have by
Or
yourself.
maybe if you want, like we keep the bintangs. Whenever you come to Bali, we will keep it for you.
Alright, so after coffee, walking on the beach, we arrived to the different part of Sanur.
And I decided to buy my morning breakfast, the famous Nasi Champur. It's called Nasi Manweti. Let's see how it is.
Let's see. So this warung back to the original place. Long time ago, hello, when the beach was closed, that was moved to the city because they had to close here. However, now they come back to the Same place. Yo, what's up?
Look at this one. Look.
Bawa deh.
Zoom out the way.
What's on it?
Oh, that's really nice. This is the famous Nasi Champur Nasi Bali Menweti in Jalan Segara Ayu in Sanur, Bali. So that's the famous Nasi Champur one. This is my Nasi Champur. As you see, with the shredded chicken. Yeah, suka sama beli. And then with the boiled egg, sambal. Try. Oh, good.
Alright, now I am on the other part of the Sanur, and it definitely looks like it's a little bit more people over here, but still kinda quiet.
Yeah.
What do you think, honey?
Yeah, because it's after the rain, you know, as you see, still like the cloud and everything.
How was your food, honey?
Oh my god, so good, so yum. I couldn't finish it because before I had a coffee, croissant, and then one portion of Nasi Champur from Menweti. I'm so full.
Honey, saya.
Let's have a walk.
You makan banyak ya?
Yeah. Eat a lot, work hard. New style of sunbathing.
Alright, so I think that will be enough for today's vlog, because that's our early morning Sanur adventure.
Alright, I think that's all our video for today.
I hope so you enjoyed, like
My
always.
morning Sanur activities on the weekend.
Comment below what do you think. Congratulations to the winner.
Alright. And also we make a lucky draw again. For those of you who wants to have a food tour with Winnie, with me, please comment below. So we will wait for 1 week for those who really wants to have a food tour, local food tour with me.
Wow, that's good.
Alright, I think that's all our video today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
It's
See ya,
gonna
take
rain.
care.
Come on, let's go home.
Okay, yeah, it's raining. Go. Let's go. See ya. Take care.